Hey eBay shoppers, got a luxury item like sneakers or watch with an eBay authenticity tag and want to remove it safely? Well, these tags prove your item's legit but can be annoying to wear or display. I'll show you how to remove them without damage in a few steps. Let us do this. So guys, eBay's authenticity tag, often on sneakers, watches or handbags, is a tamper-evident plastic or wire tag attached to confirm the item passed expert inspection. It's usually clipped to seams, laces or straps with a small loop or adhesive. Removing it may void returns, so check your seller's policy first. I almost snagged my easiest cutting one, be careful. You'll need a small pry tool, like a flathead screwdriver for example, scissors or wire cutters for wire tags, and optionally a hairdryer or adhesive remover like Glue Gun. If the tag's adhesive, warm water can help for water-resistant items. Test chemicals on a hidden spot to avoid damage. Patience is key, rushing can ruin your item. For plastic tags, insert the pry tool into the tag's top half to release the tabs. There are usually 3. Gently separate the tag. For wire tags, like on sneakers, squish the wire loop to slip the tag out without cutting. If stuck, use wire cutters but stay clear of the item's material. For adhesive tags, heat with air dryer for 20 seconds, then peel slowly. Inspect your item for damage or residue. Wipe adhesive spots with a damp cloth or rubbing alcohol. If you plan to resell, keep the tag intact for buyer trust, as it boosts value. And that's it guys. If you have any questions, share below. Like and subscribe and ring the bell for more eBay tips. See you next time.